In today's video, I'll show you how to create voiceovers for ads with ElevenLabs so you can turn short marketing scripts into powerful, attention-grabbing audio. If you're new to ad voiceovers, the goal is simple. You want a voice that sounds confident, clear, and persuasive enough to capture attention within the first few seconds. First, sign in to your ElevenLabs account and open the text-to-speech section. This is where you'll generate your ad voiceover. Next, prepare your ad script. Keep it short, direct, and focused on benefits. A strong hook at the beginning is important because it immediately draws the listener in. Now choose a voice from the library. For ads, energetic, confident, or persuasive voices usually work best, depending on the product or message. Once you've selected your voice, paste your script into the editor. Make sure every word adds value, because ad scripts need to be tight and impactful. Before generating the audio, quickly review your script for clarity
Some roads
and tone.
are smooth,
Small
some
changes
are
in wording
unpredictable,
can significantly
but the ones that
improve how
matter are
convincing
the
the
ones
final
you take
voiceover
together.
sounds. Now click Generate and let ElevenLabs convert your text
Some
into a
roads are
professional
smooth,
ad voiceover.
some are unpredictable,
After it's ready,
but the ones
listen
that matter
carefully to
are
the
the
result.
ones you take
If the
together.
tone feels too soft or too aggressive, switch voices or adjust the script and generate again until it matches your campaign. Once you're satisfied, download the audio file and use it in your video ads, social media campaigns, landing pages, or promotional content. Testing different voices and versions can help you find the most effective sound for your audience and improve engagement. And that's how you create voiceovers for ads with ElevenLabs. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.